So if we're going to describe what the maintenance process is, the very core of that process, it starts with prevent. And prevent means you do everything you can to prevent that any kind of maintenance will occur, like failures or in the worst case breakdowns. That means lubrication is still one of the most important things you can do right. Precision alignment and other precision maintenance activities is also very important. Operating practices and so forth are also part of prevent. When we say prevent and inspect, that is what we call preventive maintenance, and then to correct any failures or breakdowns have occurred, that is corrective maintenance. And preferably you do that by inspecting, finding failures early, plan, which means that you decide what to do and how to do it, and then schedule when you're going to do it and who's going to do it in that order, and then you execute the work according to your plan and your schedule.